Welcome to day 2 of the one beam to rule them all build. Today we are going to cut, drill, and put the T-nuts in for the leveling feet so that as the girls progress I can get more precise with the leveling it, or if we ever bring it someplace and the floor is imprecise, I will be able to make it level and square. Thanks, we'll see how it goes.
Of the pines, I'm thumbing my way to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping to ride and I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel.
Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me.
Rock me, mama, like a wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Mama, rock me. Calling, a couple drinks in by now. So I say hello, you say hey babe. Say you're about to catch a cab over in my place. See you in 5. But baby, this time stay downtown. Keep moving your heels on the floor. Let the bartender pour you up.
Let me tell you a little story about the way things used to be. My dad took me to Sydney back in 1943. He said, son, you're not wearing those, they call us push galoos. If you went out and walked about in those mighty riding boots. But I stand back and laugh today at the way that times have changed. So many towns are dressed as if they just stepped off the range. That day back in 43, I could not pick and choose. The day my old man made me wear a pair of lace-up shoes. We went out to Regal's on the phone on Parramatta Road. We walked along Columbia Lane, there's a place to Steve's Road. Soldiers everywhere in town, 6 o'clock was closing time. And if you didn't tip everywhere you went, the acts on all the time. I was pushed along as I dreamed of home with the skies so clean and blue. Far away from this rat race in town and big lots of lace-up shoes. But I stand back and laugh today at the way that times changed. So many towns are dressed as if they...
The story began in Reynosa, a village in old Mexico. Oh, Pearl and the Mexican soldier were sweethearts a long time ago. They made big plans for a wedding. The town of Reynosa would go.
Pandora to get your gift.
Price after $25 credit on $35 package. Setting up will be a full price on renews monthly unless canceled. Prices may change. New subscribers only. Compatible device required. Restrictions apply.
And we prevail because it's in our nature. For all that's now, new, and next, we are for all kind. Learn more at campaign.unc.edu.
Here's something that I think you ought to know. Coming back to you. Got my poor heart jumping like a kangaroo. Though you drive me crazy with those things you do, like a boomerang, I'll come right back to you.
Life comes in the way, but somehow I keep coming back and forth. Never put your tips away. You're tied up on the phone all day. The few breath that you break, it makes me ache. I've never liked your cabin talk. All your friends thought that act is fine, but I guess I love you still. But like a balloon.
Cross goes in one end, the thumb comes out back. Milk comes out the other and just put it in a bag. The dog makes the brass grow and on the belly. Have to take out on the road.
Secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner, and every hand's a loser. And the best that you can hope for is to die in your sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turned back toward the window, crushed out a cigarette, faded off to sleep. And somewhere in the darkness, the gambler he broke even.
I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around here for day 2 of the build. So far, what I did today was I just got those feet put in, and the reason I did that is floors. Everybody knows floors aren't perfect. So what I did is I put those in there so that I can adjust that with that little lock nut on there. And now I can level the beam out if I ever need to. Here's just a couple of stills of the mock-up. Thank you, and we'll see you on day 3.